Cancer, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. It has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is a path to light. You've opened up a new door. A new path is open up for you, bright, wide, ready for you to take that journey, but have a humble spirit, a teachable heart, where you're not worrying about getting things how you want it. This may be one of your gifts, but you really want another one of your gifts to be fruitful and be opening up the path to light or the door to you right now. Take what is opening themselves to you, and the other gifts, they shall also fall right into place, but take this step in the right direction, the opportunity that's given to you at this moment. I make a conscious choice to step forward toward the light, one step at a time, and I transform my weaknesses into strengths by mastering my thoughts. I overcome obstacles with positivity and acceptance. I develop my gifts and extend my light to every being unconditionally. Therefore, you show them that this is not impossible. You show them it's possible. And therefore, people will actually follow you, mimic you, and go after their blessings. So don't shortchange your blessings because it's limitless. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.